Stop using a calculator to add up your Excel data. Let's master the most essential formula for getting a perfect total every time, the classic sum formula. Here's how to do it in 4 simple steps. First, click on the empty cell where you want your total to appear. Second, type equals sum, followed by an open parenthesis. Third, use your mouse to click and drag, selecting all the numbers you want to add together. You'll see a dotted line appear around your selection. Fourth, type a closing parenthesis and press the Enter key. And that's it. You have a perfect, accurate total. The best part? If you change any of the numbers in your list, the sum will update automatically. If you click and drag it down, it will calculate the sum for all of them. If this tip helped you, like this video and follow for more essential Excel tricks.
Netcom Learning Bangladesh. Be a lifelong learner.